Last video we already mill and cut the profile, and now let us use our special welding machine to do the welding, join the profile, weld corner. You can see here, last video we already cut 90 degree, 45 degree. Also here, mill these holes by the special milling machine. Now let us weld the corner by this welding machine. For this welding machine, we also do some special design for the American type profile. For this welding machine, the heating plate is special for American type profile. Also, for the welding block, we designed by this American type profile. Yes, this is our welding result. This is the welding. Here you can see, after our milling and cutting, here is this joint result.